The Cerwin Vega VPSTX12 is a smart and powerful 12-inch spare tire subwoofer designed for anyone who wants deep, punchy bass without sacrificing trunk space. Tucked neatly into the spare tire cavity, this slim and shallow sub stays hidden while delivering up to 600 watts of clean, immersive sound, making it perfect for daily drivers, road trippers, or anyone tired of weak stock systems. With a fully integrated amplifier encased in a rugged cast aluminum heatsink, the VPSTX12 is built for long-lasting performance in all weather conditions. Its plug-and-play setup makes installation simple, while adjustable input sensitivity, a 12 dZ bass boost, and a low-pass filter, 30 Hz, 150 Hz, lets you customize your sound exactly how you like it. Add in a remote bass control and phase switch, and you've got complete control from the driver's seat. Whether you're cruising the city or hitting the highway, the VPSTX12 delivers pro-level audio in a space-saving, easy-to-use package that proves you don't need to give up functionality to get serious bass.